Hey everyone, today we're talking about casual exercises for men. It's a powerful way to boost your health, better urinary control, to enhance sexual performance. But here's the thing, doing them wrong can actually cause harm. So in this video, I will walk you through the most common casual mistakes men make, how to avoid them, and the proper way to perform these exercises for maximum benefits. Let's get started. Casual exercises strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which support your bladder, bowel, and sexual function. By practicing Kegels can improve urinary control, enhance sexual performance, and even promote prostate health. Sure, this sounds great, right? Many men unknowingly make mistakes that reduce these benefits, or worse, it can cause strain, even discomfort. Let's break them down. So here are the top three mistakes to watch out for. Number one, holding your breath. Many men hold their breath while performing casuals. This creates unnecessary tension and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Remember, always breathe naturally. Number two, engaging the wrong muscles. It's common to tighten your abs, your glutes, or thighs instead of isolating the pelvic floor muscles. Kegels should target only the pelvic floor. Avoid clenching other areas. Number three, overdoing it. Overworking your pelvic floor muscles can lead to fatigue or even pain. Kegels are like any workout. Start small and gradually increase intensity. To avoid these mistakes, here is how to perform Kegels correctly. Number one, find the right muscles. To locate your pelvic floor muscles, try stopping urination midstream. These are the muscles you engage. But don't make this a habit that can lead to other issues. Perform short, controlled contractions. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles for 3 seconds. Then release for 3 seconds. You can start with 5 to 10 repetitions and gradually increase as you get stronger. Number 3, practice consistently. Make casuals part of your daily routine. Once in the morning and once in the night works perfectly fine. When done right, casual offer incredible benefits, including improved urinary control. Get to say goodbye to leaks and take control of your bladder. Next, we have enhanced sexual performance. Stronger pelvic floor muscles can lead to better erections, improved endurance, and more satisfying intimacy. Prostate health. Regular casuals may reduce the risk of prostate issues and improve overall wellness for you. Mastering casuals is all about proper technique and consistency. Take your time to get it right and don't hesitate to ask for guidance if needed. If you found this video helpful, I want you to give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button, share it with someone who could benefit, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tips on men's health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.